Now, let's try to find the volume of a triangular prism. The formula for finding the area of a triangle is 1/2 of the triangle's base times its height. The base is the original triangle. Be careful not to confuse the base of the triangle with the base of the prism, which is the triangle itself. Our diagram tells us that the base of the triangle is 6 meters and its height is 4 meters. So 1/2 the base times the height would be 1/2 of 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24 and 1/2 of 24 is 12. So the area of the triangle is 12 meters squared. Now all we have to do find the volume is multiplying that area by the length that it is extended. So if the length is 5 meters, so we multiply 12 squared meters by 5 meters and we got 60 meters cubed. So the volume of the triangular prism is 60 meters cubed. For any queries, send email to rhkstore@gmail.com or write in comment section. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, do share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay home and stay safe.